How to add a Readme sitemap to your chatbot. This step-by-step guide will teach you how to add a Readme sitemap to your chatbot. Step 1. Sign in to readme.com. Step 2. Access your project settings. Click on your project. Step 3. Navigate to Configuration. Click on Configuration. Step 4. Access project settings. Step 5. Enable sitemap. Tick the checkbox. Click on Save. Step 6. Obtain the sitemap URL. Click on the link sitemap.xml. A new page will open, displaying your sitemap. Copy the URL of this sitemap. Step 7. Create your chatbot. Step 8. Add your sitemap to your chatbot. How to create a chatbot and how add your sitemap to your chatbot. Please see the video description to find the tutorials.